Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we're looking at the desktop version of the Health and Well-being Audits module. This module is designed for members to undertake regular audits to determine the commitment, design and planning, implementation, evaluation and continuous improvement of health and well-being policies in the workplace. Like all system modules, the access and inclusions visible in this module vary according to individual user access levels that are controlled within the user management module. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're seeing everything just as a workplace administrator would see it. This module features the same fundamental layout as the desktop version of all modules in the system. Below the module name and module icon are the main controls, in this case a link back to the workplace homepage and the option to create a new audit via the plus icon. To the right are the module help notes and a link to this video tutorial. And below is the module list view. The controls at the top of the list view and in the column headings allow you to search, filter and sort the list according to various criteria that we'll look at a little closer in a moment. But first, let's create a new audit. That starts by selecting the plus icon, which in turn opens the Health and Wellbeing Audit form. The first section of the form, the audit details, are pre-populated with the date and the author. The next 5 sections of the form each contain a series of questions that require a yes, no or not applicable response. If an entire section of the form is not applicable, you can select the shortcut option at the top of the section that pre-populates all the responses in that section with NA. In addition to the yes, no or NA responses, the system also allows entry of notes or comments for each question. Any information entered into these areas is in turn displayed in the resulting audit report that is generated when the audit is completed. If a no response is selected for any question, the notes or comments then become compulsory, and in turn the system automatically generates a related task that must subsequently be managed via the task module for each no response entered into the form. When all the questions have been answered and the audit saved, the system will alert you to any tasks that have been created and then returns you to the list view. Selecting the icon in the report score column of the list view pops open a summary of the audit scores for each of the 5 sections. For the purpose of benchmarking, it also displays the system average for each of the audit sections. Mousing over the Actions icon displays the option to either view the completed audit form or download a PDF copy of the resulting action plan that the system generates based on the responses provided during the audit form completion process. The action plan provides a proactive recommendation for each of the issues covered in the audit, along with your section by section and total report scores compared to the system averages. For more information about this module, please refer to the on-screen help notes and the system tooltips at any time. And that concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching.